Dear students, today I am going to teach you multiple angle of trigonometry, okay? And multiple angle means if an angle theta or A or B, whatever may be, is multiplied by any number like 2, 3, 4, 5, then those angles are called multiple angle. For example, 2 times angle A. Similarly, 3 times angle A, 4 times angle A, or 5 times angle A are called multiple angle. Multiple angle. Okay. So here not only 5A, sometimes it can be 16A also, 8A, 16A, 10A, 20A, whatever may be. If an angle has been multiplied by certain number, then that is called multiple angle. Okay. Now, what type of formula can we derive from this multiple angle that we are going to do now? Okay. So now, look at here. Suppose if you have got sine of 2A, sine of 2A, suppose number 1, let us do this one. If it is sine of 2A, then this can be written as sine 2A can be written as A plus A, like this we can write, okay? If A plus A we can write, then we can apply the formula here. A plus A, sine A plus B formula. Sine A plus B, we have already learned the formula. In compound angle, we have already learned that I am going to write you here. See, sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. This is the formula, okay? So, if you replace, just replace A by A and B also by A here. In place of A also there is A. In place of B, there is again A. So, if you replace, then you will get like this, see, sine A and then cos B also cos A plus, then cos A and then sine A again. So, now look at here, these two are like terms, sine A, cos A, this also sine A, cos A. So, sine A, cos A, sine A, cos A, they are like terms. So, we can add these two. If you add these two, then you will get 2 sine A cos A. This is sine 2A is equals to 2 sine A cos A. This is one of the formula of sine 2A, like this. Similarly, if it is number 2 now, I'm going to derive the formula for cos 2A. Cos 2A can be written as cos A plus A, like this way. Similarly, here also cos A plus B formula we can apply. The formula for cos A plus B that we have learned in our previous compound angle, that is cos A plus B formula. In case of cos A plus B formula is cos A cos B, both cos here. Here one sine, one cos was there. Now here both cos. And if there is plus, the formula will be minus here. Now both sine, sine A, sine B. This is the formula for cos A plus B, okay? This formula we can apply and then get the formula of cos 2A. So, cos A plus A, that is cos A plus B formula we can apply. That is cos A cos B, because B also A. And then minus, then sine A and then sine B. B also A here. So, we can write cos square A minus sine square A. So, this is the formula for cos 2A. Okay, cos 2A formula is cos square A minus sine square A. This is the second formula for multiple angle. But listen, sometimes we need to change formula of cos 2A in terms of cos only and sometimes in terms of sine only. So, if so, then we can transpose like this here again. Cos 2A as it is we can write. Then this cos square A, look at it, write down as it is cos square A minus sine square A means 1 minus cos square A. This formula also you have learned in class 8 also. See, like this formula, see. Sine square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A. This formula already in junior class you have learned. if you apply this formula in place of sine square, if you apply this formula here, then your new formula will come. That is this cos square a as it is, minus times plus is minus 1, minus times minus is plus, and then again cos square a. Now this cos square a and cos square a, they are like terms, so we can add and you will get 2 cos square a, and the minus 1 as it is. This is the formula for cos 2a, that is in terms of cos. Okay, if you have to apply the formula of cos 2a in terms of cos, then we will choose this one formula. If we need both sine and cos, then we will choose this formula. If we need only cos, then we will choose this formula. Similarly, from the same step, from this step only, we can write again like this. Cos 2a equals to, from the beginning only, see, cos square a minus sine square a we have got here. Now, again, one more, see, if we need the formula in terms of sine, then what we will do? Another formula, see, for cos square a formula is there. Cos square a is equals to 1 minus sine square a. This formula we can apply. So if you apply this formula here, then what you will get? Look at here. So cos square a means 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a as it is. So if you add these two, see, they are minus minus, both same sign, and they are like terms, so we can add. So 1 minus and minus, if you add, the answer will be minus. Sine square a plus sine square a is 2 sine square a. So this is the formula for cos 2a. Always, if you have to use the formula of cos 2a in terms of sine, okay, then we will use this one formula. So altogether, we got 3 formula for cos 2a. One cos 2a is cos square a minus sine square a. Another cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. And another cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sine square a. Okay, these are the 3 formula for cos 2a. Okay, and one formula for sine 2a we have got. Similarly, let us derive formula for tan 2a. Number 3 is for tan. Okay, tan 2a. Tan 2a also we can write as tan a plus a. All will break in the similar way. Okay, a plus a is 2a. Now, so tan a plus b formula we need to apply. That you have learned in class 9, that is compound angle formula. Okay, so tan a plus b. The formula of tan a plus b we have learned like this. That is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is the formula you have learned in class 9. Okay, so this formula we can apply. See, if you apply this formula here, just replace a by a and b also by a. In place of b also we have got a. So what it will be? See, tan a plus tan b. That is tan a plus tan b also a divided by 1 minus tan a dot. Now tan b also tan a. So now if you simplify, you will get tan a plus tan a is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan a times tan a is tan square a. This is the formula of tan 2a. So if we have to use the formula of tan 2a in terms of tan, then this is the formula. Okay. Similarly, now we can derive formula for cot 2a also. Number 4, that is cot 2a. Cot 2a also can be written as cot as it is, and then a plus a we can write. So now a plus a means a plus b. Now cot a plus b formula in class 9 we have learned like this, cot a plus b formula. The formula for cot a plus b is cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a. This is the formula in compound angle you have learned in junior class. Okay, so now let us apply this one. See, just replace a by a and then b also by a you replace here. So if you replace, you will get like this. Cot a cot b means cot a times cot a minus 1 divided by again cot a plus cot a. Okay, now if you simplify this one, then you will get another. See, let us continue. So if you simplify, then you will get cot A times cot A is cot square A minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot A is 2 cot A. So this is the formula of cot 2A. Okay. So if you need formula of cot 2A, then we can apply this one. This formula we can apply for cot 2A. Okay. So now again see, sometimes we need to apply the formula of tan 2A, sin 2A and cos 2A in terms of tan also. So now number 5 one that I'm going to derive this one. See, now sin 2A again. Sin 2A. Already we have derived that. Sin 2A formula here already we have derived. See, sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Okay. This we can write as it is. Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Okay. Now if you are asked to express sin 2A in terms of tan, what we have to do, that we are going to learn. Okay. Now this can be written as divided by 1. I am dividing by 1. Denominator we can write 1. If you divide something by 1, the result will be same. So we can divide by 1 like this. So now after dividing by 1, we can write this one. See, 2 sin A cos A we can write as it is divided by 1 means now there are so many formula of 1. But we have got here sin and cos. The formula of, in terms of sin and cos is like this. Cos square A plus sin square A is equals to 1. This in class 8 you have learned this formula C. Okay, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So instead of 1, we can write this one. Cos square A plus sin square A we can write. So now after this what we can do? We have got one formula C. We are going to express sin 2A in terms of tan. Okay. Sometimes you will be given the question like this. Express sin 2A in terms of tan. So what we will do here? This to express sin 2A in terms of tan, we need to get tan. But tan means what? Tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. So we need cos theta in the denominator. Then only we can convert in tan. Okay. We need cos theta here. Since we need cos theta, so we will divide both numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Why square? See, here is also square, here also square, here are also two terms. So one of them will cancel, another will can apply formula. So what we need? We have to divide both numerator and denominator by cos square A. So write down here, dividing numerator and denominator by cos square A. Why cos? Because tan is sin by cos. Denominator we need cos. That's why we are dividing by cos square A. Okay. Numerator and denominator by cos square A. We get, if you divide, then you will get like this. See, 2 sin A cos A divided by cos square A, and in denominator again cos square A plus sin square A also divided by cos square A. We can do like this. Now this cos and this square we can cancel. Just this much we can cancel. Now remaining can keep as it is. See, 2 sin A like this. 2 sin A divided by cos A. One cos is cancelled. One cos is here like this. Divided by, now here there is plus. So we cannot cancel this and this. Since there is plus, if here is multiply, then cos square cos square, here also you can cancel. But here is plus. So we cannot cancel. So what we have to do? We have to separate the term. Now look at here. Cos square A by cos square A plus, now sin square A divided by cos square A. In this way we can divide now. This cos square A cancel. So this is equals to 2 sin A by cos A is tan A. Tan A divided by, now this cos square A cancel. So we got 1 plus sin square A by cos square A is tan square A. So this is the formula of sine 2a, sine 2a in terms of tan. So in examination, suppose if you are asked to derive the formula of sine 2a in terms of tan, or sometimes you will ask find the express or reduce sine 2a in terms of tan sometimes, okay, derive formula of sine 2a in terms of tan, or you will ask express sine 2a in terms of tan a, then we can do this one, okay, we can find out this one. Similarly, we have to express, sometimes we have to express cos 2a also in terms of tan. Then what to do, look at here. For this also, next one, number 6, we will do here. In number 6, what we will do here? See, cos 2a now. Cos 2a also we are going to express in terms of tan in the similar way, okay. Similarly, we have to express cos 2a and sin 2a in terms of cot also we can express in the same way. Okay, let us do first of all cos 2a. Cos 2a equals to, already we have derived the formula here in terms of cos and sine here. Look at it. This also in terms of sine and cos was there. Here also in terms of sine and cos we will take, not other two. Okay, because we have to get tan, so cos and sine wala you take. Okay, so now this is the formula of cos 2a, cos square a minus sine square a. As in this, we can divide here also by 1. Okay, now we'll put the formula of 1. Formula of 1 is cos square a plus sine square a. So if you put the formula of 1, then you will get like this, cos square a minus sine square a in numerator as it is, and in denominator 1 means cos square a plus sine square a. Now what we will do, here also we have to get tan, no? So that is tan means tan a is equals to sine a by cos a. Here also same, look at it, same formula. So what we can do here, here also we have to divide by cos, okay, but here is square, in all the terms there is square, so we have to divide by cos square a. So now let us divide, dividing numerator and denominator by cos square a, we get, if you divide, then what we will get, let us do. Let us continue this one now. If you divide both numerator and denominator by cos square a, then you will get like this, see, cos 2a as it is equals to, now numerator we have to divide by cos square a, so like this, cos square a minus sine square a divided by cos square a, again in denominator also cos square a plus sine square a divided by cos square a. So now this is equals to, now we can break this one, see, cos square a by cos square a minus sine square a divided by cos square a whole upon, and in denominator also same thing will break, cos square a by cos square a plus, there is plus in denominator, and then sine square a divided by cos square a. Here cos square cancel, this also cos square cancel. So now remaining, see, cos and cos cancel, there is 1 minus sine square by cos square is tan square a divided by cos square cancel, this is 1 plus sine square by cos square is tan square a. So this is the formula of cos 2a in terms of tan. So if you have to convert cos 2a in terms of tan while solving the problem, then we will use this formula, okay. So similarly now we can express in terms of cot also. One I will show you, then other you can do yourself, okay. Okay, in shortcut I will show you, look at it. Let us do number 7 one more. Okay, sine 2a, let us do sine 2a in terms of cot, okay. Similarly, like here also see 2 sine a cos a divided by 1 here also see. And this means what? We can write here 2 sine a cos a divided by, this is cos square a plus sine square a, we can write same. Now sine 2a, sorry, first of all we have to divide now. By what we have to divide? See, cot a now. Cot a means this is cos a divided by sine a. So this is the formula. See, if you are going to express sine 2a in terms of cot, then we have to get here cot. So if you have to get cot, then cos upon sine. Okay. Denominator we need sine. Look at it. Denominator we need sine here. So we have to divide both numerator and denominator by sine square a. So let us write down here, dividing numerator, let us write in short form, numerator and denominator by sine square a. Then you will get like this, sine 2a equals to, this one see, 2 sine a cos a divided by sine square a whole upon, now here see, cos square a plus sine square also will divide by sine square a. So I will separately I will write, look at here, you can write like this also, cos square a by sine square a plus sine square a divided by sine square a. You can also write like this, directly separating also, by separating. So sine a and square we can cancel. So if you cancel, here also sine square a cancel. So we can write this one, see, 2 as it is. Now cos a by sine a is cot a divided by, here cos square a by sine square is cot square a, and then plus, this is 1. Okay, 1 plus cot square a. So therefore sine 2a, see, sine 2a, if you need the formula sine 2a in terms of cot, then we can write 2 cot a divided by 1 plus cot square a. This is the formula for sine 2a in terms of cot. Okay. Now similarly for cos also you can derive. Cos also you can derive. See, number 8, cos 2a formula directly I'll do here. Cos 2a equals to cos square a minus sine square a divided by cos square a plus sine square a, because we are putting the formula 1 here. So now we can divide by cos square a directly. No, sorry, we have to divide by sine square a to get cot. So if you divide by sine square a, it will be like this, cos square a by sine square a minus sine square a by sine square a whole upon, again denominator also see, cos square a by sine square a plus this also sine square a by sine square a. What we are doing here, let us see here, we are dividing, because dividing numerator and denominator by sine square a. We are dividing numerator and denominator by sine square a. So we got this one. So now here sine square cancel. So what you will get, cos square by sine square is cot square a minus this and this cancel, will get 1 divided by, now cos square by sine square is cot square a plus 1. This is the formula of cos 2a in terms of cot. Okay, if you need the formula of cos 2a in terms of cot, then you can use this one. Okay, in this way we derive all the formula of 2a, multiple angle 2a in terms of sine a, sine 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, cot 2a, and sine 2a and cos 2a in terms of tan also, in terms of cot also we have derived. Now 3a I will show you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.